Meaning of extinction.
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 Extinction. Extinction refers to the complete disappearance or annihilation of a particular species from the Earth. This can occur due to natural disasters, habitat destruction, overhunting, or introduction of non-native species. Once a species becomes extinct, it is lost forever and its unique ecological role can never be replaced. The loss of any species can cause imbalances in the ecosystem and affect other species that depend on it for food or other interactions. Extinction is a serious issue facing many species today, and efforts are being made to prevent further extinctions through conservation and preservation measures.